Last day namin sa Cebu and papunta kami sa Simala. 2.5 hours ito from saan kami nanggaling. Pero sulit naman. Simala Church, nandito na po kami. No miniskirts, no shorts, no skirts, and no dresses above the knee. The Simala Shrine hosts the image of Our Lady of Lindogon, which is believed to be miraculous by the devotees of the Virgin Mary. Ito ay na-report na nagsished of tears, but it is credited with the healing of those who were inflicted with dengue cases in 1998. It is owned by the Marian monks of Eucharistic Adoration. Mainit, pero go lang. Ang ganda! Along the way, papunta sa airport, bili muna ng pasalubong. Fruitcakes. At dahil gutom na kami, kakain ulit tayo. Punta tayo sa Maayo Restaurant. Amoy pa lang, seafood na. Nag-a-allergy na ako. Pero totoo, nag-a-allergy ako sa seafoods, pero di bale, may gamot naman. Kaya, na-enjoy ko pa rin ang pagkain ng baboy, di seafood.